Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Yesterday we saw the main parts of computer. In that we learned CPU and monitor. Okay, in monitor we saw three types of monitors, that is ERT, LCD and LED. In CPU we saw three, that is memory unit and control and specific arithmetical limit. Okay, so today we are going to learn the remaining two main parts of computer, that is keyboard and mouse. So keyboard, this is the keyboard. A keyboard is used to type data and instructions into the computer. If we want to work into the computer, if we want to type, okay, the help of keyboard we can do. We can give instruction to the computer. Okay, so according to our instructions, the computer works. So if we want to type anything else, typing letters, or you want to send a message, otherwise you want to write the story, so whatever you want to do, we can do the help of keyboard. We can type. Okay, so the commonly used keyboard as, so the common, okay, some keyboards we did not have the 104 keys, okay, but many keyboards are we have a 104 keys. In keyboard total keys are 104. So which can be divided into many groups based on their functions. So among that 104 keys we divide according to their functions, which type of work they are doing. According to that we divided the 104 keys. So what are the types of that keys? Okay, so we divided also 5 groups of keys. So among that 104 keys we divided as a 5 groups of key. So the first one, typing keys. The first one is typing keys, and second one is control keys, and third one is function keys, and fourth one is navigation keys, and fifth one is numeric key. Okay, so we have total 104 keys. Among that 104, according to their functions, we divide as a 5. So the first one is typing keys. So which we have yellow colors in our keyboard. So the yellow colors keys are we called as a typing keys. And second one, control keys. So which in your books the keyboard picture is there. So please open your book and see the picture of the keyboard. So which keys are having yellow color, that is called as a typing keys. So which keys are having red color, that called as a control keys. So these keys are we called as a control key. And function keys, it has a, okay, so this beginning of the keyboard, the first row of the keyboard, it is called as a, okay, function keys. And navigation keys, so these as a green and black, as a no, so only this particular keys we have a navigation keys. And numeric keyboard, this is numbers 1 to 10 we have a numbers on the keyboard, no, so that is called as a numeric keys. So now we learn the types of keys. So total we have in a keyboard 104 keys. How many keys are there? 104 keys. So according to their functions we divided as a 5 types of keys. Okay, that is first one is typing keys. So in which keys are having yellow color, that is we called as a typing keys. And second one is control keys. So which keys are having red in color, that is called as a control keys. And third one is function keys. So function keys are in the upside of the keyboard, in the first row of the keyboard, that is called function keys. And navigation keys, this, so which keys are we are using to the up and down, for arrow, for front page or back page, so that keys are called as a navigation keys. And at last we have a numeric keys, that is these keys are called as a numeric keys. So in this case we have a numbers. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the keys detailedly. Okay, so typing keys, for which purpose we are using. Okay, so the first one is typing keys. First one is typing keys. These keys include letters. So typing keys, these keys are include the letters, alphabets. Okay, and numbers. And numbers in the alphabet letters we can type in number also. Okay, and punctuation, full stop, comma, quotation. Okay, so for that purpose also we are using a typing keys. And special symbol, so plus symbol, minus, multiplication, dollars. Okay, for that symbols also we can use. These keys also include the shift, caps lock, spacebar, and backspace, and the tab keys. Okay, so now you know in typing keys what we can do. So we can type the letters and numbers and symbols and punctuations. Okay, all the types of symbols we can type, and we can do all punctuations in our typing keys. And second one we have a control keys. In second we have a control keys. So control keys are having a main in the keyboards. They are control the full system of a computer. These keys are either used alone. So we can use that keys, that control keys sometimes alone. But maximum we have to use with a combined keys. So in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. So sometimes, very rarely, we can use control keys as alone. But maximum we can use the combination keys with the control keys. Then we can do our work in a computer. So control, alt, windows, logo key and escape key are the various example of control keys. So which keys are we called as a control keys? That is control key, alt, windows key and logo key and the escape key. So these keys are called as a control keys. So these keys are sometimes it works alone or with a combination keys. So third one, function keys. So the first one is typing keys, second one is control keys and third one is function keys. So these are used to perform specific tasks. So particular, okay, only we can use the functions keys. These keys are placed on the top row. So I told you, no. So this is the keyboard. This is the top row, no. So these keys are called as a punctuations keys. Here one key is missing, so don't worry. But in the beginning row, the first row of keyboard, okay, these keys are called as a punctuations keys. Okay. of the keyboard and are labeled as F1, F12. These keys have different punctuations in different program. So the punctuation keys, I told you, it start from F1 to F12. So these keys are the functions in different program. Okay, so that you will learn detailedly in your higher classes. Okay, so the fourth one is numeric keyboard. The fourth one is numeric keyboard. So the numeric keyboard consists of number keys from 0 to 9. The arithmetic operators and the decimal point similar to the keys of a calculator. Okay, so numbers key, I told you, I show the pictures in which 0 to 9 numbers having that corner, that keys are called as a numeric keyboard. Okay, that keys are called as a numeric keyboards. So in that we can use that numeric keys for mathematical problem, to add the numbers, to minus the number, multiply the numbers. Okay, so greater the numbers. Okay, so for that we can use the numeric keys. Okay, so these keys it is placed on the right side of the keyboard and it is used for entering numbers at a fast speed. So if we know the typing, so we can do fast, we can type fast, and we can solve our maths problem within a second. So these keys, where it is placed on the computer, it is right side on the corner of the keyboard. Okay, these keys are located. At last we have a navigation key. Okay, so far we learned typing keys, control keys, and function keys and numeric keys. So now we are going to learn navigation keys. These keys are used to move through the documents or web pages and editing the text. These keys include arrow keys. Okay, so the navigation keys we are using to move through the documents. Okay, if we read one documents, important documents, so if you want to see the beginning page, then we can move. If you want to see the back page, we can move. So according to the document, we can use these keys. So arrow keys. Okay, in that we have different keys in the navigation keys. In that we learn the arrow key. So arrow keys, these keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. So arrow keys we can use to move the cursor. Okay, to move the cursor to up and down. Okay, for that we can use the arrow keys. And home moves the cursor to the beginning of a line. So home keys we can use the cursor to beginning of the lines. That means if you want to start to tag, so if you want to beginning lines, so that time we can use home. So end moves the cursor to the end of line. So end, if you want to go to the end page, so we can use the cursor to end. And page up, page down. So these keys we are using page up or down. Okay, these are the home keys. Okay, these are the end keys. And delete key, which is the delete key. Okay, so in the keyboards we have a end key. This is the end key. This is the page up, page down key, and this is the home key. Okay, this is the enter key, and this is the shift key. Okay, so at last we have delete. So if you did any wrong to type letters or to type message or to type to write the stories. Okay, so that time you don't know what to do, so that time we can use delete key to erase that, erase the word, erase the letter, or erase the line. We can use the delete key. And insert, turns the insert mode on or off. Okay, so these are the navigation keys. So how many keys are there in a keyboard? So in a keyboard we have 104 keys. So 104 keys we divided in the 5 types of keys, so according to their functions. So the first one is typing keys, and second one is control keys, and third one is function keys, and fourth one is numeric, and fifth one is navigation. Yes, my dear children, the keyboard's keys, this is the important topic of your lessons. So if you know about keys are clearly, then we can do work on a computer. You should know which key for which purpose we are using. Okay, so the next topic is a mouse. Okay, so among our main parts of computer, the mouse also is a important. A mouse is a pointing device. So mouse we can use as a pointing device. So now I am teaching you, no? So I want to I want to point out the particular line or particular word. Then I can use a mouse to point out the words, point out the line to the student. Okay, so it is connected to the CPU. So the mouse is connected to the CPU by a cable. So the mouse is as a cable, no? So this cable is connected to the CPU. Then we are using a mouse. A mouse usually has 2 buttons on it. Yes, the mouse has 2 buttons, a right button and left button. Okay, the mouse has a 2 button, that is right click, or another one is left click. Okay, so it is used to point. Okay, usually has 2 buttons on it. It is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. So we are using a mouse to point out the words or letters or lines, or if you want to select the particular line or particular page, particular passage, then we can use the mouse. Okay, so when we move the mouse with our hand, okay, when we move mouse with our hand, your pointer on the screen moves in the same directions. Yes, if you we have to catch like this mouse, and if you shake on the mouse, how you are shake on the mouse, likewise the cursor also shaking the same way. Okay, it also helps to draw pictures. The mouse, the help of mouse, we can draw pictures on a monitor. So nowadays the scroll mouse is more in use. So the scroll, this is the scroll. Okay, so nowadays the people are using more the scroll mouse that has a scroll wheel in the center of the 2 buttons. So this is the 2 buttons. So the wheel in the center of the mouse. So this is called as a scroll. Okay, this is called as a scroll. So for which purpose we are using mouse on a computer? Okay, so mouse has a 2 buttons, that is right click or left click. So in center of the 2 buttons we have a scroll. So nowadays the people are using more the scroll keys. So mouse we are using to point out the particular lines or words or passage, not only point out. So we can we want to select the passage, page, words, lines, letters, then we can use the mouse, and with the help of mouse we can draw on picture on a computer. Okay, so today we learn two topics, that is keyboard and mouse. Okay, so in the keyboards we have 104 keys total. Okay, so among the keys functions we divided 5 groups of keys. So the first one is typing keys, second one is control keys, third one is function keys, fourth one is numeric, and fifth one is navigation. Okay, yes my dear children, keep it all these points, and once again you revised your lessons, you read out the points. Okay, and thank you, and be safe, learn well. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.